Today I'm popping in to do a review of the inverted stool. This is something that you can use to kind of learn how to do headstands, but you can also use it for a wide variety of things. When you open the box, it is nice because it comes with this little felt mat that you can kind of set it on when you're using it. You have these two supports with the hand pieces here where you can hold on to. It includes everything that you need to go ahead and set it up. You have a couple other metal frame pieces, and then you have the pad that goes on the seat itself. You can see it already has all the holes pre-drilled, and it's all kind of finished front and back. The top of it is made out of a really nice vinyl, very easy to wipe down if you're sweaty or need to clean that. And I love that all of the frame is made out of metal, so it's very, very sturdy. Let's go ahead and get it put together. This product does come with a pretty detailed list and, kind of directions on how to set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You have your parts list here. All right, so I have it set up now. It did take me about 15 minutes to put together. You just have a few screws and whatnot that you have to put together, and the hollow pipes kind of have to be fitted. Everything gets screwed together on the underside. Overall, super awesome bench. You can see it is pretty firm, which is what you're going to want if you're using this for stretching, but it does have a really good squish to it. It has the brand right here. You have a very wide base to kind of help you balance, and then you have these handles here. This piece velcros in the bench, so all you have to do is kind of pull it apart just like this, and then you'll see you have this open face here. Your handles are available, so it makes it really easy to go ahead and kind of rest your shoulders in here, do headstands, handstands, and then if you want to go ahead and fit this back in, you just use the Velcro, you slide it on like that. It is nice because there's a rigid board in here, and then it is setting on top of these two handles, so you can also use this as a bench to sit if you want to while you're lifting weights or anything like that. Overall, really cool product if this is something that you want to kind of help you assist with stretching, doing yoga, anything like that. If it is a product that you are considering, I do recommend it. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall, I'm very excited to put it to use.